Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your journey with AFS Intercultural Programs, complete guide step by step clearly. The first step is to visit the AFS website to explore available programs. Take your time to read about the different types of exchanges offered. Consider what type of experience you are looking for, whether it's a high school study abroad or a volunteer program. Next, check the eligibility requirements for your desired program. Make sure you meet the necessary age and educational criteria. Once you have determined your eligibility, find your local AFS chapter. Contact them to gather more information and ask any specific questions you might have. After gathering information, start your application process. Fill out the online application form with accurate and detailed information. Prepare any required documents, like transcripts and recommendation letters. Seek out the support of a parent or guardian during this process. Once your application is submitted, wait for a confirmation from AFS. Using this time, begin to prepare for your upcoming adventure. Engage with AFS through social media or local events to connect with other participants. After your application is accepted, you will receive important information about your program. Attend any orientation sessions offered by AFS to help you prepare. Make sure to ask about cultural training and what to expect in your host country. Once you have completed your orientation, start preparing for your departure. Gather necessary items for travel, including travel documents and personal belongings. Be open to the experience ahead, and embrace the challenges that might arise. Stay in contact with your host family or program coordinator prior to your arrival. Lastly, keep an open mind and a positive attitude as you embark on this incredible journey. Your adventure with AFS Intercultural Programs is about to begin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.